Quail log, April 29th. So just finished cleaning up after the babies and feeding the bigger birds. Everyone seems to be up and moving right now. Everyone seems to be moving okay. I still have the two that aren't moving great, but they're still moving. So I think one of the ones that isn't moving great is right there, and I think the other one's back in the corner, but everyone else is moving around. Looks like I still have all 11 in here, so they should be good. They have more water. They have some I scraped out their food and gave them fresh food, so they seem to be in good shape for the night. We'll see how they do. Quick check on everyone else. So here's my older pharaohs. They were happily eating away. Tonight wasn't too bad of a night, so I got 5 eggs from the pharaohs and 3 from my speckleds. So I only have one that hasn't been laying. I'm a little worried when I look at the last couple of days. I also see that's one of the eggs that has been missing. It's one of my speckles, though I do look at it a little closer. It seems to be this white speckle I'm missing today, and those are more of the brown speckles. So I guess I have got a white speckle recently, so may not be losing all eggs from somebody. It's just they've been reducing. So speckles are down here. No real problems from them. Pharaoh boy is down here. He was crowing away earlier, but not now. And then Black's over here eating away. Actually, she's eating better right now than she is most of the time, but so not much of news today. Everyone's still growing. Everyone's been fed. And tomorrow, hopefully, I will give them, or at least the older birds, they'll get their sandboxes, and we'll see where it goes from there. So just that quick update. Wanted to record where everyone was at. Night.